Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I eat something spicy and, well, you kind of just watch. Today I'm doing another one. I did one yesterday. That was the Spicy Buldak 3X. It was hot. Today I've got something that's specific for a challenge. This is called their Buldak Challenge. So, what is it? This is a cold noodle, which is perfect for summer months. It's kind of like a salad noodle, I think they call it. And yeah, it's 12,000 Scoville unit, which is the same as the Buldak Mini, but it's cold and definitely a much larger noodle block. So yeah, I'm curious about this one. And here is what it looks like. Unadulterated. They mention you can add like cucumber and this and that and the other thing to it, but personally, if I'm doing a mukbang, I'll do mukbangs and stuff that do have add-ons, but usually they're not ones I'm wondering if they're going to hit the top 10 list. That's what's going on right now. I'm doing research for the new top 10 spicy list. I'll be honest about that. So, let's see. Let me give a quick swig of this red beverage. As I don't want to get hiccups while I'm doing this. Having hiccups while you're eating something like ultra spicy, not good. Okay, well, it's been nice knowing you. Actually, I have a feeling how this is going to turn out. So, all right, can I get a ready, set, go? Ready, set. Done. All right. My mouth's got a good burn to it. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not surprised at how this went. It's a challenge. It's hot, it's spicy. But I had the 3X yesterday. I've got quite a tolerance off of one time. I remember I did the 1X spicy. And then the next day I did the 2X spicy. The 2X didn't even seem as hot as the 1X. Granted, this is still pretty hot. My mouth is just burning. But yesterday, whole body, tingling, numbness. Yeah. So I mean, this is so much more manageable today than it was yesterday. And I've got 2 more to do. I kind of want to just do the regular 2X as well and see how that would be on a 3rd day. But I'm done. I did it. So yeah. Challenge met and conquered. Good? Alright, well this has been Hans, this has been Mimi, and that's been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one!